Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about ax plus b over s squared plus 1 and cs plus d over s squared plus 2. Because we have the power number 2, that's why in here we need to reduce the power by negative number 1, and you got about s. This one that is about s to the power of 0, so that's why we have b. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about this one, so as plus b multiplied by s squared plus number 2. This one, it is missing about s squared plus number 1, so cs plus d multiplied by this one. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, that is about a plus c. About s squared, that is about b plus d. About s, we have 2a plus c. About the numbers, we have 2b plus d. Now we need to compare coefficients. So we have number 3, so this one equals to number 3. This one equals to negative number 1. This one equals to number 6. And the last one, that is about number 4. So we create the system of equations. So we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So we got A, B, C, D. So I will put this one go on here. So A, that is about number 3. B, that is about number 5. C, that is about 0. D, that is about negative number 6. So this one we can put like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about 3 over 2 fn of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. The integration of this one, we have octane of s. And the last one, that is negative number 6 over the square root of number 2. So because number 2 here, that is about the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. So the square root of number 2, that's it from here. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.